Ladies and gentlemen, how we doing? Hey, this is House. I just want to do a quick little video for you all. I do a lot of weird stuff out here in the garage, as you might can tell. We take a lot of Jeeps apart and do stuff. But they got a little panel repair kit from the usual suspects over at Amazon. No name, pure Chinesium. Just want to give a quick little review or overview of it before we start doing stuff. It came with no instructions, but I'm guessing that most people that would be doing something like this would not be using instructions. But a couple of things to look out for. These panels look like they are supposed to go over your torque boxes. They actually slipped right over. I'm going to end up cutting out my old steel before I weld this stuff in. But this might be actually be able to be done on the Jeep if you have some bad Torx boxes. But as you can see, you can actually pull these right off. I haven't removed anything yet. Like I said, we will be cutting out all the rust, welding these in. Another thing to consider on these, they're threaded. They got the weld nuts in there. Of course, not welded very well. They literally put 2 tack welds on there, and you can also see these other supports here. Only a couple little tack welds. I'll be fully welding all that in because I'm just like that. And you can see they're a little moist. They were not tapped, or the nuts were not 1/2x13 thread. I believe they were probably a metric size, but as I got a replacement kit for the bushings and bolts, I went ahead and re-tapped them. They feel pretty good. I put an impact on them. They didn't move. They didn't strip the threads out. So I think we'll be fine to reuse these after some more support welds. But yeah, like I said, just want to give a quick little review and give you guys kind of a see what we're going to be replacing here. This one's still, it's actually in there. I just cut the bolt off because the whole nut inside came off. But we'll be cutting all that out, welding all the new stuff in. Well, the tub's on its side, and then we got to do the other side as well. That's pretty bad over on this side, but we'll be cutting it all out. So yeah, just give you guys a quick little review or update, or I don't know what you want to call it, but we'll catch you guys later. Peace.